Hi everyone, welcome to another math lesson with Miss Amadeo and Miss Mia, who is taking a nap right now. Today was really exciting. We're going to be making our own clocks at home. So we're going to use whatever we have at home to make a clock, and it's actually really interesting because everyone has something different, so they're all going to look a little different. All right, so what you're going to need is you're going to need something to make the face of the clock. Okay, so that could be paper. It could be, I use back of a cereal box. Right, so you could use a cereal box. You could use an Amazon package or anything that you got a box in, paper, whatever is flat and you can write on and you can cut out. Okay, so and you're also going to need something to trace. You can also use a paper plate. If you have a paper plate, that's perfect. This is if you don't have a paper plate, you have to be able to trace it. So I got a plate right here, and this is what I'm going to use to trace my circle. You're also going to need something to pin your hands onto the clock. So I use the paper clip. You could use tie from a bread bag. You could use these clips, these pins, but these you definitely should have an adult help you with. They're very pointy. Be creative. We're going to use whatever we have at home. All right. You're also going to need a piece of paper or maybe straws or something to make your hands with on your clock. So I found blue and red paper, but you could always use white paper and then color them in as well. What else are you going to need? You're going to need a marker or anything to write with. Okay, and you're going to need some scissors. So take a moment, make sure that you have everything you need to make your clock. You're going to need something to make the face of the clock, something to make your numbers, something to hold it together, and then 2 pieces of paper to use for your hands. All right, so take a moment, pause the video, and go find your materials. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have your whatever you're using for the face of your clock. You're going to put it down. Then you're going to use whatever you're using to plate, a cover to Tupperware or something like that, something that's round, circular. And you're going to put it down on right around there, and then you're going to take a marker or a pen or a pencil, and you're going to trace it. Good. Mine's a little light, but you should be able to see my lines. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors, and with the help of an adult, you're going to cut out your circle. Okay, the best you can. So pause the video and cut out your circle. All right, now I have my circle. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to fold it in half. It's going to help us with our numbers. Fold it in half. Okay, so I folded it in half. Now I'm going to fold it the other way. Okay. Now I'm going to fold it like this. Okay. All right. Not perfect, but that's okay. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to write our numbers. So if I'm looking at a clock, okay, I see that what number is at the top? We have our 12 at the top, right? And then below it, we have our 6. I'm going to put 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom. Right. I'm going to put 12 at the top. All right, and then I'm going to put 6, just like that, at the bottom. Right? And these lines that you made are helping you because it shows you right where the middle is, okay? And so now on this next crease, we see that we have a 3 and then a 9. Okay, so right in my crease, I'm going to put a 3 and then a 9. All right, as you can see on the clock, it goes 12, 1, 2, 3. So I have 1 and 2 in between the 12 and the 3. Okay, so I'm going to space it out well. I have 1 and 2, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay, 6, 7, and 8. And you might want to use a pencil for this so that you can erase if it's not even. 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so you're going to pause the video and you're going to make your clock look like mine. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the hands. So exciting. All right, for the hands, if you notice, we have our minute hand, which is long, and our hour hand, which is not as long, it's short. So for the minute hand, you can see it goes pretty much past the number. So what we're going to do, we made a crease, and it's going to help because now we know where the middle is. We're going to start at the middle. You're going to take your paper. You're going to go just like this and make a mark right over so that it goes over the number just like that. Okay, so you can see it just like that. And then you're going to take your hour one, and your hour hand is going to go right in the middle, but it's going to go about, I'd say, a little bit more than halfway. Okay, so you'll be able to see the minute and the hour hand are much different in size. Then you're going to cut out your hour hand and your minute hand. Okay. Now you have your hour and you have your minute hand. Okay, so pause the video and make your two hands. Make sure that your minute hand is much longer than your hour hand. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you need to, with the help of an adult, you're going to make a little hole in the middle. Okay, you can use a paper clip, whatever you need. And then you're also going to make a hole in the two hands. Okay. And then you're going to take your paper clip or whatever you're going to use to hold it all together. Put it through the back. And then you need to attach your two hands. Pull the paper clip down a little bit. So now you can move your hands just like that. And there you have your clock. Okay, and I know I used what I have at home. I can't wait to see what you use at home. Get creative, find what you can, and share your clock with us. And I will make a little collage, and I will show all the different ways that we can make a clock at home. It's going to be really exciting, so I can't wait to see how yours comes out. All right. See you tomorrow.